Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we have Chef Joseph. He's going to help us make a fun recipe. What are we making?
Rice Krispie boba.
Rice Krispies. Woo! Yeah. We're not excited? Yay! What kind of Rice Krispies? It has to look like this?
Yeah.
What happens if it doesn't look like this? Then we didn't do a good job? Uh-oh. I think we can do better than this. You think? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna use this as our inspiration, but we're gonna try to make these better. We're making some s'mores, Rice Krispies with some roasted marshmallow. It's gonna be so good, so ooey gooey. Just like Joseph likes them. I don't really think he needs any more Rice Krispies in his life. His energy is 100. I think what he needs is more fruits and vegetables. Yay! Anyways, let's get to it, guys. These are all the ingredients you're going to need. For this recipe, you will need some Rice Krispies, crushed graham crackers, some big marshmallows, little marshmallows, salt, butter, sweetened condensed milk, small little pieces of chocolate, you can use Hershey, and some vanilla extract. First step's gonna be
Butter.
butter. What are we gonna do to it? We're gonna melt it.
Melt it.
Put it in there. Not yet.
About chocolate.
Not yet.
About milk.
Not yet.
Why?
We still need to melt it. Joseph, what's gonna be the first step?
Marshmallows?
No, we're gonna brown our butter. Yeah?
Yep.
Right now, we have our 4 tablespoons of butter. We are gonna get it nice and toasty. We're gonna brown it up, let all of the milk particles get nice and toasty so this can taste super delicious. What color is the butter?
Brown.
Yay! Okay, once your butter looks like this and you see the brown little particles underneath your butter and it's nice and foamy, it's brown enough. What's next, Joseph?
Chocolate?
No, marshmallows, the big ones, the big marshmallows.
Oh, I dropped it.
Be careful not to burn yourself. Don't touch the pan. Good job. We need Jose's assistance for torching our marshmallows. That way it can get that nice campfire taste, huh, Joseph? You know, remember when we were camping outside?
Yeah.
And what did we do?
We made marshmallows.
Woo! Were they yummy?
Yeah. With burnt marshmallows.
So we're gonna burn the marshmallow a little bit on the top. Don't touch it, Joseph, okay? So Dad just helped us burn the marshmallows a little bit. Now we're going to mix it all in. Go, Joseph. Slowly, because we don't want to burn ourselves. What does it smell like?
Marshmallows. And torch.
Yeah, torched up marshmallows.
Torch marshmallows.
Let's keep mixing. Mix. Okay, what's next, Joseph? A 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk for that extra sweetness.
I'm itchy.
Now we're gonna add some vanilla.
No.
Yeah, Mama's gonna add it. You're gonna mix. A little bit of salt. Mix. Cool, dude.
It tastes like cereal.
Okay, now we are going to
It's
add
cereal.
Okay, so we just added 2 cups of Rice Krispies. I don't know if I mentioned that. And we're also gonna add a cup of graham crackers. Does Mama do it or does Joseph do it?
I do it.
Okay. Ooh, add it. Cool, dude.
What?
Can you hear it? Is it popping?
Yeah.
You hear it?
Yeah. It's sticky?
Yep.
What is sticky for?
Because he's supposed to. Baby marshmallows.
Mom, it's too heavy.
It's too heavy for you? Okay.
Yeah, there's too much stuff in there.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Put it in a big bowl so Joseph can mix.
Put it in a big set of bowl.
Ah,
What happened?
it's hot. I burnt myself.
You burned yourself.
Yeah, guys, it is nice and gooey. But to this, we're going to add some more baby marshmallows and more chocolate chips.
Well, pull up in the turtle, pull up in the turtle, pull up in the turtle, pull up in the turtle. Oh no. Oh, oh no, in the baseball bat. I want some.
Okay, hold on. I was trying to take it off.
No.
Slightly press, not too hard, so they can be super
Wait,
gooey and ooey.
Marshmallows.
More.
More? There's more that are gonna be on top.
Press them a little bit.
Don't press them. Where is the soup? Oh.
I'm gonna torch the marshmallows just a little bit so it can have some of that extra toasty, nutty taste. If you don't have a torch, you can also just use your oven. Since I had a lot of extra ingredients, I went ahead and made a Lucky Charms Rice Krispie also. You need the same ingredients you did for your s'mores Rice Krispies, except for this one, you don't need the crushed graham crackers. You're gonna need the same amount, but of Lucky Charms. And for the little marshmallows, instead of putting them on top, you're gonna put it inside the mix. Spray some nonstick onto your parchment paper, and then you're gonna spread evenly onto your molds. Let this cool off for about 10 to 15 minutes. Gonna spray our knife so that it doesn't get sticky, icky. And then we're gonna cut them. Now, I don't know about you guys, but we enjoy our Rice Krispies nice and soft and super ooey gooey like this. They are so good. Look. What do you think? Nice and sweet. Así como a mí me gustan. All right, guys, there you have it. Some delicious s'mores Rice Krispie. Joseph could not resist to burn all of his energy. He's outside playing with the dogs. And I cannot get him in here to finish the outro. So thank you guys for following. Don't forget to check us out on all other platforms, on TikTok, Snap, Instagram, Facebook. We're going to make sure to leave the links down below. And on to the next.
Hey, 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 dale gas. Hey, 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 yeah.